Jen is at the end of her wits. Her team only have less than 3 months to finish the most critical project of the business portfolio, and yet all things seem to be going wrong. And to top it all, there's little project budget left to finish all things that need to be completed before the D-Day. To an expert's eye, Jen's problem all boils down to improper project management. In fact, she may have started the project, even without evaluating what are the activities she will need to focus on for project success. And if you are also facing similar issues, then you have come to the right video. Today, we would learn about the day-to-day activities of the project manager. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. The project manager is in charge of the overall project and handles everything involved, such as the project scope, cost, schedule, project team, and other resources. Ultimately, the project manager is responsible for the success or failure of a project. So what does a project manager do? The project manager is responsible for the day-to-day management of the project and must be competent in managing various aspects of a project, like scope, schedule, cost, risk, quality, and communication. We have narrowed it down to the top 11 activities, which a project manager should follow on daily basis. Number 1 is checking the budget requirement for project work. The prime goal of the project manager is to make sure that project is meeting its budget constraints, and tasks are completed without additional cost requirements. The second is seeking approval for budget deviation. If a project ever genuinely needs a budget deviation, then the project manager should first seek budget approval before executing the additional scope. The third one is checking and maintaining the required resource for the project. It is important to keep an eye on the status of required resources like people, tools, materials, and other resources. The unavailability of resources may cause unwanted delay and additional costs. Fourth is pitching the finance team to increase the budget. The finance team should be regularly updated with the budget deviation request. This helps the finance team to decide on how best the project can be financed and minimize any possible disruptions. Fifth is evaluating risk assessment reports and developing a mitigation plan. The project manager should continuously look for risks, which may impact project, especially any schedule or cost risk. Identification of risk should be followed by developing a mitigation plan to reduce the impact of risk. Sixth is checking the project progress report with the project team. It is critical for project success to evaluate the difference between the initial plan and the current status of the project. The seventh one is ensuring the project schedule and timeline is updated. This everyone has latest and right information. 8.1 is to manage or reallocate tasks to meet workload requirements. Several times tasks need to be prioritized and deprioritized. This demands reallocation of resources on the task. 9th is making sure the work is done as per the approved process and procedures. While work is being done, it is also very important that work is done as per approved standards and methods. The 10th is having frequent communication with various internal functions and departments. It's important to align the project goals with internal stakeholders. Last but most important activity. The project manager should continuously coordinate with clients and manage their expectations. And now you know the key activities of a project manager which should be performed on daily basis. It seems a lot, but you may not need to perform all these activities every day. If you'd like to know more about project management, visit us at projectsmind.com. At projectsmind.com, we support project people in all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects, from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. And don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.